I have some different firearms cleaning products and lubricants today. Everyone knows I've been using Otis for years. I contacted Modern Spartan Systems, and Marcus suggested I use his starter kit, and I told him I did have a background in cleaning chemicals and send them, and we would see what we could do with them. I cleaned a couple of guns over the weekend and lubricated them just to do a trial run, and today I'm going to show you exactly what I did over the weekend, and we're going to do it with this light. And as everyone can see, it's clear, and we'll show you the action on the trigger pull. Today I'm going to demonstrate 3 of the products I used on the firearms: the Carbon Destroyer, the Accuracy Oil, and the Spartan Accuracy Grease. Like I said, I want everybody to see what I've been using so you can see the comparison. This is what I've been cleaning with. So, first of all, we're going to take the Carbon Destroyer and we're going to put a little bit down in here. In the trigger mechanisms. I'm going to put a little bit down in here. Going to let that set for a couple minutes and we'll agitate it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the slide. Doesn't take much. And remember, don't get it down in here. That area you want to keep clean and dry. You don't want any kind of lubricants. And I'm going to rub a little bit here too. And we're going to do the same thing on the barrel. And put some on here. We're going to run it down through the barrel. Got that patch just a little bit too tight. Okay, now we're going to agitate everything a little bit with the brush. And always remember, don't get any clean chemicals or oils down in your striker. Wasn't much on the barrel. And getting some off of the frame and the trigger mechanism. Yeah, you can see it start to come off here. And we're going to run the brush down the barrel. And we'll run a clean patch down through there too and see what we get. Let's see what we got here. a whole lot in the barrel. As I say, I keep my guns meticulous. And we'll see what we've got coming off of the slide in here. Now here's where you're starting to see some changes. And this is just part one of a segment we're going to have on the Spartan systems. You can see the improvement on this. We'll run it back down through the barrel one more time just to see. And it's clean. So now we're going to try put another one on it, and we're fixing to use the accuracy oil. And I'm going to show everyone how that's used too. Just make sure we got everything wiped off of this part too. It never hurts to go back and double check yourself. So what we're fixing to do here is accuracy oil. Put just a little bit on your rails. Do the same thing with the slide. One thing I'm going to do a little different on this one, we're going to try the accuracy grease. I like to put it down in here on the slide and where your barrel goes, and you have a lot of friction at those spots. Run oil down the barrel, get it coated. Now we got that down in the barrel. We're going to rub some on the outside of the barrel itself. Doesn't take a whole lot. I'm going to let this set for a second, and I'm going to put this back together so everyone can see the results. Now I've shown everyone how the carbon destroyer works, and the accuracy oil, and the grease. There's going to be several segments of these videos on these products. Next time we're going to try the copper lead destroyer, Plus, there's also going to be a range video where you treat the inside of a barrel, and the way these products work, they penetrate into the metal, and after you do a few rounds, which we're going to show later, the inside of the barrel will be treated. Also, we have a crystal clear for your optics, and it's anti-fog, and it does a really good job on stuff too, which that will be another video also. Give you a little history. These products, this carbon destroyer was designed for the military. They were looking for a greener chemical to clean the carbon deposits off of the gun ports and the engines of the jet fighters. Now I'm going to show everyone. Now that we've gone over this part, in the next segment you will see how it comes clean. I think you'll like the products. There'll be a link in the description box, and there'll be a promo code Bearded10, so you can get 10% off these products. Looking forward to doing some more testing, some more reviewing. We'll see you next time. Don't forget there's the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Subscribe to it too.